with a toddler that fights bedtime. There is a fly over here. Today I'm going to tell you one thing that most parents do that make bedtime tantrums even worse, and what to do instead. My name is Marcela Collier. I am your Parenting with Understanding coach, and if Parenting with Understanding, gentle parenting, is something that you are interested in doing, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Before we start, I want to announce that my next workshop, the Zoom workshop, it is open for registration. You are going to learn the 3 steps to eliminate bedtime battles with your kids and multiple night wake-ups. So if you have a child under 6 years old, not a baby, but under 6 years old, and then he fights bedtime, or he takes really long to go to sleep, or he wakes up multiple times in the night. Maybe you are nursing him and he wakes up to nurse, or maybe you want to transition him to his own bed, but he's fighting that transition. That workshop is going to be for you. Registration is open. The link is in the description, and I see you the 22nd. It's going to be on the 22nd in Zoom. If you're not able to attend, you will find the replay plus 2 extra bonus video classes in members area. One is exclusively about transition from co-sleeping to sleeping in his own bed, and the second one is about nighttime weaning, because you can still breastfeed your toddler, not wean him off completely, and still have a good night of sleep. This fly is so annoying. I get on my TikTok a lot, my toddler hates bedtime. It is not your toddler hates bedtime. What he doesn't like is the disconnection that bedtime brings. Think about it. Bedtime is the start of the longest separation of the day. Your toddler has been with you all day, or maybe you've been working and he had you for 2 hours, and now it's bedtime and he has to say goodbye to you again. So that's the longest separation. The number one mistake that I see parents doing is that they focus on the separation and they don't focus on the connection. They focus on what their children don't need and don't focus on what their children need. Their children fight bedtime because they are trying to retain that connection with their caregivers. But if parents focus on the separation, you need to go back to bed. What are you doing here? I already told you to go back to bed. Stay in bed, otherwise, and then they announce consequences, and then they get frustrated. You yell, the child yells, everybody yells, and then everybody's awake. And everybody has the emotions up, and then the heart rate is up, and now it is hard to settle down to go to sleep, because for you to go to sleep you need to be at rest. You cannot go to sleep if you are in your fight, flight, or freeze. If your child is fighting you, he is not restful to go to sleep. Those are things that parents do that keep feeding the tantrum and keep stalling or putting bedtime later and later and later, until what happens is that the child's internal schedule changes, and now they are more awake during the night than during the day. You start seeing longer nap time, and bedtime is diluted because when 8 p.m. rolls around, they're not sleepy enough. And it is because it is all this vicious cycle, all this mess that's going on. So how do you solve that? To focus on the connection. And in the workshop, I'm going to give you detail on how to do this. Right now, I want to tell you that focusing on the next connection may mean to not say, go back to sleep, what are you doing here? But to reassure your child that you're still there, that he's still connected to you, to do things in order for him to feel safe, to feel that he still accesses you, that he still has a way of connection with you. So how would that look like? For one of my twins, he slept with one of my pillows while I was transitioning from co-sleeping to sleeping in his own bed. By the way, I don't have anything against co-sleeping. I think it is a great thing. Now, it wasn't working for me and my family, and if you see that it is not working for you, then you could start the transition, but not because people are telling you that it is bad Or maybe you may be feeling that if you don't take him out of your bed, he would never want to be out of your bed. I guarantee you he's not going to college feeling wanting to sleep next to you. By the way, let me know in the comments if you co-sleep. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And again, registration is in the description below, so you start learning the 3 steps to eliminate bedtime battles and prevent multiple night wake-ups. I'll see you in the workshop. Keep parenting your children with understanding. If you are new to gentle parenting, I encourage you to click here. It's going to tell you the ABC, the where to start. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.